Right, how to set up your Handtmann. This lever latches over that and holds it down for one cycle and then pulls away and releases it, as shown in the previous video. So what you need to do is slacken these two off, and then you can pull this away like that. Set your machine running on linking on slow speed. Push this forward and watch this move left, right, left, right, left, right. When it's all the way to the right, stop your machine. Then make sure the power's off. Push this down. Make sure these are still slack enough, but still with a bit of friction. Slide this across till it just catches the end of that plunger and holds it down approximately 1 centimetre or less gap underneath there. Then tighten these up. It just needs to latch on just that. That's probably too much, that. No more than that latching on. That might even be too much. If you're not getting a full portion, you have to slacken these off and push that rod further down so it pushes the plunger further down. But then you may have to pull this back a bit, because as this rod gets longer, it goes over there further. And it's basically just a case of trial and error. But you do need to make sure that, obviously this is going to be slack at the moment. When your machine is moving, if you slacken these off first of all, pull it out of the way. Put your finger behind it as the machine runs, so you're pushing that way. You'll see it go dun 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 dun. Always stop it on slow speed over that, as far over that way as it is. Turn your power off, then set it, slacken it off, adjust it so it just locks on the edge. Tighten them up and try your machine, and it should run like the previous video. But unfortunately this machine stopped running now because it's going to throw all oil out if I run it. Any problems, ring me back.